guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add emojis to your background on CapCut PC, like to your videos. So select the video that you want to use. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to go to remove background and I'm going to select auto removal on this. If you want, you can still use like the same background here. There. And then for the emojis, go to text and add in default text and place it underneath the video that we just removed the background to. Then for the emoji, you're just going to select this or copy and paste emojis. It's up to you. I'm just going to add these one at random. And you're just going to adjust it, maybe like copy and paste it like this for the background. And if you want to, you can make it move. Right click, create compound clip, and then go to animation here, go to the combo one and make it move. Okay, if I can just click on it. I don't know why the combo one isn't working. Maybe it's a little bit too short. But you're just going to add in an animation to that just to make it move. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. You can also use the text animations if that didn't work. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.